Happy Onam to one and all. The significance of Onam is that it is a harvesting period, the rice harvesting. It is in the memory of King Mahabali. This festival, even today, celebrated in Kerala. Onam falls on Trivona Nakshatram, the star called Trivonam, and the month called Chingam in Malayalam. Mahabali Chakravarti was the great grandson of sage Kashyapa and Hiranyakashipu, and was the grandson of Prahlada, who was verily devoted to Lord Vishnu. Why the significance of rice harvesting has been made today has some reason behind this. Once, when Chakravarti gained victory over the gods, he conducted a yajna and he announced whomever, whatever they wish, they will be bestowed. And the yajna was over. All the Brahmins, sages, seers, everyone, whatever they expected for, was been given as a boon by him. And among those seers, sages, there was a dwarf boy who is the advent of Vishnu, which was unknown to Mahabali Chakravarti. So he asked the boy, "What would you like to have? Shall I give you cows, gold ornaments, diamonds, or anything from my kingdom?" The boy said, "Brahmin boy, I don't need anything. If I need something, I need only 3 paces of the land." And he was shocked. 3 paces, and such a tiny boy whose feet is very small, what he is going to gain out of these 3 paces of foot? So finally he agreed, "I am ready to give you that." And to his surprise, that boy grew up magnanimously, and with one of his feet he completely measured the heaven, the second with the earth, and the third one left remain over. Then Mahabali realized, yes, this boy is no other than Vishnu, who has come in the form of Vamana. Then he requested, "Oh Lord, still 1 pace is left over, that you can put on my head. Prior to that, I need some boon." Vamana granted him, "What would you like to have?" When he asked for, he demanded that every year of this Chingam month, Trivona Nakshatram, I should come to my land. I should incarnate every time in some form so that I can help all my people of kingdom. Accepting, Vamana granted the boon to him and put his 3rd feet over his head, 3rd pace of feet over his head, and with that he was buried. And in the form of harvesting, rice harvesting, he is satisfying the entire kingdom So in Kerala on this day, the rice paddy harvesting are going on, and that is why this Onam festival with full of sweets and other variety of dishes are being prepared. And since he got the liberation at the divine fate, people still believe that in the form of harvesting, Mahabali Chakravarti keep visiting every year to them. So this is what the significance of Onam. And once again, I wish everyone their wishes to be granted by the Lord, and my love to all my children. Sai Ram. God bless one and all.